Yeah, not many people have 21-inch sub walls like this, so unique.
Especially in a car, bro.
Yeah. So what's your name, man? What's all in here?
All right, so I'm James. I'm part of Team Wild and Loud. We do big things here in Sarasota. I got two 21s. They're incriminator death penalties. Okay. Got a Crescendo 6K power in them. It's a little
nice.
box.
Who built this box?
Me and the president of the team, Anthony.
Okay. You had to do some fab work for sure to get this to fit.
Yeah, dude. It actually took about 2 months of planning.
Wow.
Yeah, and we started out with a no wall because we were trying to no wall it.
Yeah.
But figuring out the port, we weren't going to be able to make the port work right without cutting out the entire back deck.
Yeah.
So we said screw it, took up half the trunk, all of it.
I see it. Yeah, so you have extra cubic space. How big is the box, you said? Total cubes?
It's just over 16.
16?
Yeah. It's actually pretty small for these 221s. Wow. But I had to do it that way in order to cram them in here.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
On the Glock, cause these rock poppin' out like what? Ain't nobody on your block, cause I'm the one who's go drop. I'm the one that knocked the one that he threw that weekend top. You know I said the guy nigga blessed if he see his dog. Hit him 20 on the back, bitch, I just left for him a car. Piece of paint up in the car, 20 bones and a couple rocks. Hey, I'm sliding with a thought, I'm sliding with a nigga, bitch. Drop on the in the fountain, they thought they were trees. All this is on the world for drink, this shit thicker than beef. Go. Fucking go. Certified. Go.
Yeah, thank you. I'm doing it right now. Yeah, do that. Thank you for watching. Thanks, man. Yeah, not many people have 21-inch sub walls like this, so unique.
Especially in a car, bro.
Yeah. What made you do 21s instead of just 18s or 15s?
Different, yeah. Yeah, I actually started out with 121 in the trunk. Whole trunk, 10 cube box.
Wow.
Yeah, and I had it tuned to 28. I was smashing lows. But I was like, you know what? It ain't loud enough. Time to make it twice.
twice the cone area.
Yeah.
And it's on a 6K only right now.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. Yeah, just on a 6K.
Is that one ohm, half ohm?
It's actually 0.7.
0.7. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm actually digging into it, but yeah, I keep clipping it hard. Yeah. Because the box is suffocating it.
Yes, sir.
So it likes both doors open, so we'll get to that later.
You might think I'm happy all the time, 'cause you can see smiles on my face and my file.
What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we got of James's system at the Slamfest audio show. Insane to see him fit two 21-inch subs in the car And having a top port is pretty much the only way he probably could have done it to make this work. And I didn't really get to see the amplifier behind the beauty panel, but there is a fan there to keep that amplifier cool. So I'm sure he did an optimal amount of space building all the way into the trunk. It was a little dark. I couldn't get inside of the box. Sorry about that. But if you did pause earlier, you could kind of see how he built all the cubes inside of this vehicle. And also the way the subwoofers are mounted right behind the seat, lower than the headrests. So that way you don't have to worry about the seats hitting the subwoofer box and the subs. So thumbs up to him. Be sure to comment what you think about his system and give him a like. 221 at subs. First time I've ever heard a system like this. And he gave me a really good 4-minute demo. Notice the way he has this port bracing actually really reinforced, because I'm sure he's pretty much tearing his part apart. Built this box into the car to fit all of this system. So total of 6,000 watts on 221-inch subs. We're getting to a 4-minute bass demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with notification bell on for daily car audio videos I do, and enjoy this demo. Impressive for some 21s.